If you guys have not subscribed, make sure to do that right now.
Daddy, good morning. Me I go back up to the college now, you know. And I go see me until 2 weeks.
Yeah, man, that good, man. Proud of you, you know. Yeah, man. Just make sure say you get your A's and same and them someday. And nobody go to college and make no boy rampy there, you know. I know them boy college boy are going, you see me? When you're nice and pretty, them want to be, you understand? So just make sure say you're straight up and everything good, you see me?
Daddy, you know me already. When I go to college, go focus on no man. I don't have time for that. But Daddy, you know so me have something to say to you. I know I know my place. But you need to get one girlfriend now, you know. Mommy gonna find for 5 years. You know, she said she not come back. She married, she have kids, she a get her citizenship, and she could have easily filed for it, but she not do it. So you need to find one girlfriend and be happy.
That's true, you know. Show your talk, man. But me just go on easy, you know. Until the right person come, you see me?
Later still, me I go now, yeah?
So one piece of money, man. This will probably can keep you back till I come back. And if you want the money, no more money, you just call me.
Alright, Daddy.
You just call me.
Alright.
Yeah. Take care, yeah?
Alright. You too.
Right now, me nice. Me nice. This one can look like that.
You know obvious why me look so?
Why you look like that? You not to ask me if me alright or where me I come from. If you just come in, I'll sit down, bex. You not to come greet me properly. Really?
I'm sorry. Why are you coming in at this time of the morning?
Something happened to the car and I end up having sleeping at the car.
Again? Every week the car give problems, sir?
God, no, I don't like if you explain myself to you every minute. I don't like them, yeah.
You can't spend one weekend at home with me?
I can't stay home at weekends. You know that. You know some after the road. You know that. So why you be yourself? I mean you pick you.
You like to see me stress?
Stress what stress you?
Me do everything to keep you at home, yet still as your friend call you up on the phone, you're gone.
Brittany, me honestly, cannot deal with this. I tell you straight. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of the unnecessary argument. You're not even, honestly, I'm tired of this, Brittany. You're not turning me on no more. I tell her that straight.
Really?
Brawling. You're not turning me on.
Really, Ricky?
Not gonna really Ricky me.
After me buy so much lingerie?
Yeah, you buy the lingerie, but you're not even use the insure with it. You know, I use them something. Brittany, when we did just meet you know, you did nice, you know. But me don't know, some of down in line, it just a good on, so everything just get boring. Yard boring. When we there, I said, me too miserable. Me can't even get to be a man in my own house.
But babes, you know how much money me I try to wake you up? And not even the boy now get up for me again?
Well, you see what me I talk about. Me not no feelings for you. Honestly.
Ricky.
Cause when me go road, it turn up, you ready. But Brittany, let's just stop fooling ourselves. Right?
What you mean? Why you deal with me so?
This not gonna work out. Honestly, it's not gonna work out.
What not gonna work out?
You wanna know which part I really come from? You really wanna know?
Of course.
I have a next woman. Janice. Yes, the same girl, the Janice. I have a next woman.
Janice, your secretary? Janice when I have nothing for me, babes?
No way. Janice really not have nothing for you. What she have on her work? You working.
You tell me, say. 7 years out of relationship. You're ready for throw away. I'm willing to start over. Please.
Out of them the 7 years, how much of them you make me happy?
If you know, I know me have your feelings.
Exactly, you not take your time to find out if me happy or what me I go through. You not take your time to know what go on in my head. You not do them something there as a woman. So right now you feel like a prison me there.
Ricky, how you feel there prison in your own place? You go as you please, you come as you please. Me can't even talk to my mother on the phone and you not argue with me, Ricky. Really?
No. Never come in here for this. I'm more have a decent sleep. I'm tired, literally tired. And we don't mind if you just give me some space. Then we'll have a shower and sleep. We don't mind you just in a day when we wake up. Seriously.
Alright then, Ricky. You see, because I saw it all go, I'll just try my best and find someone to go catch.
You don't have to do that. You can stay here, but just know, say, when you see me that woman, me in a day. You can stay here because I can't manage it by chatting with the people. I can't manage them see me and talk to me and I say, Ricky, you're wicked. I can't deal with them. Honestly, I can't deal with that. I just want to be free right now. I just want to enjoy myself. I just want to be happy. Yeah, you know I'm happy. So just, the bed big enough. It's a king size. You can hold 3-4 small pan. So if you see me, sometimes you can stay over yourself with women and you're over there so I sleep.
You know you're heartless. You really want me to sit down in the house. Sleep on the same bed.
Brittany, just stop now. Please, stop. Stop.
You don't give me no chance to talk.
Yo, you know what? Let me go have a show. Because you see, what you are talking, you just get me upset. I'm not want to get upset for it. So let me go have a show.
You really don't want to work this out, Ricky?
Work out your backside. Go learn to work. Work.
Oi. How are you there? So you take so long, me think I last, you last. Yeah, man. Me I come. I have too much story to tell. Yeah. You think you last?
I think, you know, sir, I think I don't get so.
Come here. One. So where that's I do?
Well, me I hold out the ends, come on. I hold that.
I'm your friend.
Yeah, bro.
You gotta know you like that, man. How can I push man style like oh? I'm your friend, man. You can't give me help. But
What give it?
Can you ask somebody to help me about
What is your name?
What you want to know my name?
Till I go, me now.
no, sir. You're a countryman, man. You talk to your girl. Sure, man.
What is your name?
Why you want to know my name?
My name is Jota. Tell her
Brittany.
say me a good youth.
I know me never good youth or bad youth, but I'm a virgin.
Me a nice youth, man.
But me
You
not
see?
too, me not too want no man, and no man me come down here. I work me come for me. That's why me not too in a long time.
So like you, do you like her?
Me have one, yeah, me like her. Me see she look nice. Me have one house so me can rent her, you know. The room over the side part.
Me not come for rent place, me come to
Clean up
stay
and
with my
everything.
cousin.
So we are going to stay with
Well,
your cousin and
she
work.
gonna stay with me for a while. We don't really finna place it, but she gonna stay with me for a while.
So when you're ready, she can come over there, come
So
rent you.
when me ready and everything start out and settling and she save up little money, anytime she save up a little money to get a place, me will link it up on that.
She can go and rent the place
No
for me
man!
and not for give me no money.
She gonna go and build back with me for a while.
Me look like me want someone to live here to ask me about rent place.
Okay, good. But I like you, you know. So
Well,
if you rent the place, I don't know.
but y'all
And now,
look me, nobody tell me the rent place for you.
She can't go and see me man. She just gonna go and build back with me for time.
so you have place over there, fish is there.
Yeah, she stay with me.
You stay over there.
I want to your friend.
It's cool, man. You can give girl a room. Tell that to girl.
Sir, if you carry the bag, you carry the bag to me and top.
So the bag me a carry, so we not reason with my girl where I move so. I move so miserable.
Me tired.
Somebody
No.
can't like you.
We can't tap it on a notch. I'm in general still, you know, but if you don't like him, I just don't like him.
It's cool, man. That make you look like say. So you come now and me go like this and come back here, say, yeah.
I don't
I'm supposed to walk over here, so.
So me can't walk and talk to you. I'm like, you hear me and say and talk to me. I remember I be right or something.
No, me not thirsty. Me did ask you for beer, me no want no beer.
take a beer.
Me can't just get my bag, please.
Remember if she want the room, come check me here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, look somebody hard in.
You can't come back and still come back with your ignorant self.
But me no want no man. Look how much things man do me already. Me no want no man. A dirty rasta boy. Me look like me want a dirty rasta boy. Look how me look good. Oh God, I'm tired. Yeah. Look, help is good, but
Somebody
can't put on my bag or something.
yeah, you can't put it in anywhere, man. You can't me not tell me, because I know say a bar can come for you. Oh, I want one feet, really, sorry.
The man did say me can't start Monday, so that's why me come and I try to set clean so me can know the area and so.
You don't know. You're already family to me. So, I go sleep, pan in bed and give you product which thing you just go and build back in there. Alright, because bed not so big. Alright, two we can sleep on it too. I not really have no problem. But every time you get away and you work your way up and work your way up a little, you can get some of your rent. Because Jota, it might seem so answer when I talk, so, you know, but you can get a place on him for rent.
Yeah man, I'm glad for the little help with you give me everything. I say we are cousin and cousin all over. So you know and you always a come through for me in times of need. Plus, you sure so that the man there? You sure say no we try something with me?
No man, not chasing looks so. Looks is deceiving a good somebody. Because since me come on so much years now, and there, any little thing me can call upon him, he never try nothing with me yet. A good man so. If you know get somebody to rent the place by then, we will check him and you get the place. Want to hear man, because you normally let you go know where you talk. Oh you up here?
Look here, nobody got this about Ricky. Me and him, he tell me say he not have no love for me again. But the fact say me not have nowhere else to go, he say me can stay in the house until me find somewhere. But me couldn't stay there no longer. Fi go reach to the point where I carry new woman for me. So you know what me do? Me just left.
You put first call long time. I should have me. Which kind next money you fit so you and him they all long now. You and him they all long you know. And you want you and him left but you still stay there and if you can woman if you sit down now here that you will sit down cause different room. Here him up go on with himself for next woman and if you feel alright. Alright thing you do. Alright think if I do me if he do it with me and run the risk with me I chop him up in there. Clean. So better you walk away from problem. Distance yourself. But it's like how you come down here now, you come to work. work. Stay far from them man I don't know. If them man I don't know, them woman are sensible. And them have them woman, but when them a look you, them a tell you say they don't have no woman. I just you alone, me there a long time, me I tell you. You come to work and elevate up yourself as a young lady. Elevate up yourself. Work. Get your little place to rent. Stick by yourself. Make you come to me. Make your hungry family, make your hungry friend. Go and brace with me. Even if you have other people power, me not stop you. Know your limit and your boundaries with them. Now go on your place, go give in to each and everybody. Cause you see them nowadays, you don't have nobody but yourself. So careful of what you do. You just tell me I put up your girl from early. So we are go there now.
I'm tired, you know. I must say a long travel me have to do.
You know, nobody can call you. And tell them if you reach our road, you go.
I must say me and the dirty boy alone did live.
Mm-hmm. Come, I'm going to show you if you bathe off yourself. Then take out the clothes and I'm going to show you if you can go bathe off. Come, let me show you first. Come here, go. You want to see? Let me show you about it.
I'm tired.
Brittany! Mama! Brittany!
How old you about Brittany?
Brittany there. Say, I can't deal with myself.
No. Step back. Who you be about Brittany? Brittany just come. Brittany really fine man. Who you?
A pretty Ricky.
I saw you hugging a person. So when life done, you come back for my friend. Cause done life done for your travel from bus, look so.
So, what you mean travel pan bus? A normal rasta man, you know me not too fussy. You know where you go. So you can't deal with me, so. So where Brittany there?
She not there here.
I mean she not there. I mean here, so I don't know she's there.
One thing with them people, they can chat. Oh, you find exactly where me live.
Don't worry about that, man. I know say I have such them, man. And she me come to, cause, you see me, I'm a sister for a long time. I'm a lover, see me. You see me, you know say I do some mess up thing in a life still, and I need to come up for I you know I go. But she me come for. So anyways, if she not there now, when she come, just tell her say me come to see her, there.
Alright, I. Take a bus and go back a country.
Yeah man, just easy yourself. I'm not go walk up. I don't have me there.
Which part done you there?
Don't worry about that, man. We don't have man for a while, man. I know you go. And I not too. Oh, so Brittany. Are you come find?
Oh!
So,
That is my cousin. That is my cousin.
Brittany.
Alright.
Come
Come out, I want.
Jano, Brittany, just talk to you.
If you can talk to me, talk to me. Because I don't like excitement in my place, you know.
Brittany, just give me a chance, man, and don't make that serpent attack come between me, man. Just beg you,
Hey!
please.
Hurry up and come talk to that sitting here, you know. Because done life, done for the make you reach here, you know. Because you know, no little ambition neither. Sit can travel so far, boss.
Brittany, just give me a talk. As I say, if I never want him, I box on that girl that you know.
Hey, nobody can deal with my cousin, so come go in. Go in, man. Let me deal with that junk prayer.
Go on with them too. Go on out with them.
You see? I didn't disrespect you come down here so far. Eh?
How you even know me down here? Where you come here for?
Brittany, I never disrespect you come down here so far. When they did it for me, I don't know that they must say I never reach you and I never come here, even none of my family place, and nobody deal with you, so, you know.
How you even know me there?
I mean, oh, me know say I don't have Brittany. Brittany, me know say I don't say that, because somebody tell me get it from good source, say I don't say that. And me come for you, I come to talk to you. I just want to just fix things and try and see if we can work it out. I understand, say, I messed up, I did I do some things, but I go up on a chat the other day for 2 weeks, Brittany, I don't tell no lie. I'm realizing myself, say, yo, I mess up big time. I want to fix it. I really want to fix it. Brittany, I love you, you know. I'm come to a realization, say, you're a good woman. It's just that you have some things that I need to work on, and me have some things that I need to work on too. But we can fix this, Brittany. Brittany, please, me I beg you. Just make we try and see if we can work this out. Me I look how me out. Me just not happy. Me not happy I had. Me not happy, me stress out.
Oh, so you just have come to the realization, say, me did a good somebody, hmm? How you look so, how you pop down? So the woman where you left me for, it look like she strip you. She strip you down to nothing because all your marina, cause you tear up. You never used to look so. All you hear you used to line up properly. Where the markets there? I say you really come from bus from Mandeville? And who could have pick you up?
Brittany, please, nobody got this up. Me just listen now. The car, me end up after the sell the car, because I run up in some problem or something. Me end up after sell the car. Right now, me I'll sell all the fridge recently. But we good at now still. And me just want to just work out things. We can buy back a car. We can work together and buy back a car. Like how you did a work and me never did a work and we bring money together. We can.
We? There is no more we. She your fault in your face, you remember about we. There is no. Move out of my way, no man! Move! Move! Move!
Brittany, please, Brittany, me just a beg. What's your name, Brittany? Just Brittany, please, me a beg you a chance. Just stop foolishness, Brittany.
Brittany.
That young back a man, give me move.
I last try this. You know, the family people never hear me more.
But me never tell them to come up here, no? Me never tell them to come up here. And I like say me crazy.
Hear what you gonna do. You need to get the place from the man. Me no love excitement. Me no love them there's something there. If when you come from work at evening time or night time and it's too late, you can come for your dinner or me drop off your time where you kid and me drop off your dinner and make sure you're alright, if you breakfast, because you're done and my family and me love you. But certain things me can't tolerate in my place. You work good while now and make sure you're not taking no money from you. So you must have a little thing save up, you can get the place to stay. So that way I go to know. We have to go pack up your things them and me call Jota and ask me if the place still up for rent and you get the and go.
But me just start work and I like say me work up enough money yet. And I know my fault for the argument cost a while. You know say me a peaceful person.
Well, you still a work a while and you must have a little money put on. So me will make you up with the money and you go over there. You understand? Me can't do no better for you right now. But me can't take your embarrassment, me can't take your excitement in my place. Me no want it here. Me love you to my heart, but you have to go leave.
I choose still no. Cause seeing all come find out when me leave and me can't bother with the excitement and something. Me thank you for every little thing. You want a real cousin, you know? That's why me have to love you so. Thank you.
So here one, me go give you the man number and you call him and hear what him have to say. And we take it from there. So here.
Thank you. Me I go for your phone here.
Alright.
Me give you the phone, make you put it in.
So you come from work so early?
One piece of war pop up there, one man come catch him woman with one next man. Hey! Me come forget the little mix up, but through me come and go see the little dirty boy. You upstorm my spirit.
So you better tell if you close the place.
Me have to close the place because the police get involved.
Oh, alright then, see it there. So when you're ready, you just call him, talk to him here.
Alright, so me I'll just go outside go call him because phone not to pick up in here.
Alright.
Alright. Hello, Jutta? Hello, Mr. Jutta? Amanda cousin. Amanda cousin, you remember me?
Oh, yeah.
You did still have the house to rent?
Yeah, man, still have the room already. Look, you know, come in the rent one youth it, you know.
Oh God. Oh God. Okay, so exactly where is the house?
Man, I know where to find them, man. Just make sure carry, man.
Alright then. Thanks much.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Manda, I get through.
So what you say?
You say you okay, you know where the house is, so you will show me.
Alright, if they already know, I'm gonna make a look on the place.
Mm-hmm.
Come then. You know I carry your things, I just have a look on it.
Me just have to walk with my little bag and look for him, man.
Alright.
I know so we have to walk with the little bag, man.
Come. Jordan rhyme.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah, nice. Yes, man.
Come in, man. Yes, you know.
Good evening.
University, you know. Alright. Basically, I'm my daughter there, but she stay at college and sometimes she come over there, see me? And the side room affair, so you control the next part. So you know, $25,000 a month.
25,000?
Yeah.
So me I get my own kitchen and bathroom?
But I forgot share the bathroom and share the kitchen, you see me? You don't know see me alone there, I live there sometimes. If I share, you don't know. See you come back right back round. You see, me and you talking, man.
Hey, you girl come about the place or rent the place?
Yeah, place me and David now. I want to go show you your room.
Yeah, me want to. Me I get for 25,000.
Oh, yeah, alright, for a year so.
Eh, me call if anything.
Alright, then.
Alright.
Alright. I'm a daughter room this thing now, but when she comes, she can just kick it back with me. Let's say, you see me? Me go out of the chain one time.
So I really this for the 25,000?
Look here, I nigga this, you know. I lucky me not tell her 50,000. I be a 40 and 45 and 50,000 of rent down here. I say, show me alone there and it kind of boring. Me I give her a blind. Where I say, 25, I lucky, say, are you?
Alright, me will take your place. So how the rent go now?
A $50,000, you know. 25,000 for the rent, 25 for the deposit. You see me? So you give me where you can give me.
Well, me not too have nothing for me right now. Cause you know, so it's a rush movement me depend. So month end when me get paid, we'll make you get your thing, alright?
At least that, man.
Yeah man, so I just go for my things and
Yeah, man, do what you do, man. Clean up the place and do what you do. You see
yeah
me?
man, alright. Evening, Mr. Bishop.
Look here, come here then.
You couldn't let me just open the door good?
Just sit down and see what me talk. Alright, a 2 month now, you're there here, and you don't give me no rent. So, me no know what one. Tell me what one.
This is not even the right time for you to attack me about money. I'm tired of not coming from work. Let me give that a rundown now. My boss, him claim said the bar short. Him check stock and the bar short, so him don't pay me my money yet. So until me get paid, then that is when you can get paid. Yeah, deal with me so hard. You come and deal with me so too. Man, you must can work out something, man.
That me that tell you in the first part, but you run up with a friend like, and I make sure I run in your ears.
She never tell me nothing, man, but me never too feel nothing at the time. I feel something now.
Yo, go on and nice up yourself, man. I'm gonna bring you out.
It's something like that, you see? Ready? So where are we going now?
I'm gonna go for the beach, man.
morning.
Good morning.
Hi. You alright?
So your face a glow, so what?
Lord Jesus, man. Sure. Today I'm a day off, that's why.
Life go really over, so.
Good treatment. Master, good treatment. I don't know if I need to tell you about good treatment.
Tell me, you know, you can't tell me anything.
You know, a little piece of
Hey,
Rasta,
Kuya!
man.
What will you answer to now?
I can't afford to pay the rent. So I have to quit something.
What do you mean squid salty?
When I go in and he stop me from work and ask me for the rent. So I said to him, say, I don't have them the money now to pay you. Things lead to things and things lead to things. He looked for me and said to me, say, alright. I could go out, go have a drink.
I just lock off your body. After you behave so about him, man.
But I don't want him, you know, it's a desperate time call for desperate measures. So I have to, because I can't afford the rent.
You can't afford it. You can't more afford me. Tell us, we help your parent and you work 15 grand a week. And man, you love it, you really rate him man for a long time.
Me never like him. Me never like him, but I have to quit something, man.
You see your face? That's why Ricky around the pan back here like madman now. All, if you're happy, you stay there and you stay in it. But careful what you do. And not play with people feel in certain way because I go to somebody.
And him fi know what he want out of life, you know, and because me know what me want out of life, so him fi know what he want. Look.
You mean, you know, say sometime, let me tell you sometime now. Sometimes man do woman something and they say man wicked. Me not promote violence or abuse, but some man you know say some man really deserve a licking on the face. Yeah.
Then look how Ricky treat me. So any man will come after Ricky, then just have to pay the consequence.
Everybody
Nah,
are Ricky and I see him. Careful how you ramp with man and play with their feelings. Because when they look out on the teeth and put them up on the road, you got to say man wicked and man this and that. But sometimes you know the woman no know what me say now. One want out of life really. If you don't want them and them, leave them alone. Make them go on. You go there if you rent the place and work, take the place and rent it and do what you do. You need to go there with the man boss quit out. You do what you do with the money.
Me no must save my money, me try to put my money to good use so I can build my own place so the man not have nothing over me again.
Okay.
Then suppose me can build a one nice place and take you out of this place.
No. Don't worry about me. Me alright, me know what me want.
And that's why
I rent me a pay, yes sir. And very soon I shall be coming out, yes sir. You realize I don't see no man going and coming. I just me, because I know what me come for. Me come for work and make money. And help out my people in that country. And build a piece of place down there. Feel lay me head. Me alright when me dey know. Some people are running too much hype life. That's why certain things reach them. You have to start from yes sir until you reach at the top. Me never born with gold spoon.
so what you try to tell me say. If me get one opportunity, me not fi take it, that's why you know how no man.
Take it
You're
then.
too picky.
Okay.
You're foul.
Okay. I wish you the best.
Not deal with me so strong, man. You know, say you're my cousin. That's why I not love tell her certain things, you know. Because you go and like say me the bad person too much.
Okay, no, me I gotta tell you the truth.
I know the truth.
You can't deal with a person, so if you don't want them, you make them steer.
Well, me will see if me can love him. But right now, Ricky do me. I have to just go and bounce with any little man when me find. Maybe him and me rebound, who to tell.
Rebound.
You two miserable man, so you depend differently.
Rebound.
You know, I got a road today.
Every day I pick it up on the road. Me don't want to go on the road. Me work, and when me work, me come in. For weekend time, maybe I'm like a grocery, and you will see me here. Come back to the call center, me work. Me tired, it draining.
Today is Sunday, then a bartender what me do. When me come in at 12 o'clock at night time. Road race I go and see them man, me could go watch 2 car turn over and thing.
You used to it, me not used to it. You go and go there, do me rest. And every time I feel of road, certain time you go road, go back up in something you never want to be. I mean, you just leave the place at the wrong time, and that now go catch me. You go on.
You know you're too boring. You go all quick, you. That's why I stay forever young. Can make me up to date. But you're boring, you're very boring. So you really not come?
No, you go on, man. Go on and run race. I wish I this.
Boring.
Let me pray for you. See you safe on the road.
Mm. I will pray for you find a man. You pray for me safe on road race. I pray for you find a man. Yeah?
Pray on, beloved. Pray on.
Boring.
I make you come and put me in that trouble and get me that.
What is
Can I
up,
get
bro?
some money?
What you mean by you can't get some money? So you deal with things?
Oh, you mean? Then if you want woman, you must have money to give me. Man, come, give me money, man.
You get some money for one man, but watch you know. Man, go around, go around. You soon get it, man, and make you get some money, man.
For every day you are work and you never can have money, so. And boy, you want woman. Man, that can't enough to get no woman, because you broke. You know what it takes to hold a woman, but you want woman, you don't have no money. Oh, what this man, I live in a house with me, good. I want to do me hair, and I want to do me nails. I want you to take this thing for. Me a pretty girl. You take a pretty girl, you must spend pretty money. Party I keep and me want go out. Me have to sit down in a house. Like, say, me can't go now. You think of COVID this, you put me under lockdown. Man, give me money, man.
No. No, calm down. You know, see me come? Calm down yourself, man.
You know what? Me know what one fit talk. Look, come on, I go on the road.
Make sure you carry some money for me.
Yeah, man. Calm down, man. When we can't behave, so. Come, sit down. Sit down, let me talk to you. Sit down. I saw you over here, Trudy, man. You can't deal with situation, so.
So when you take me put me in the sofa, him woman never raise him good for make you know so when woman go want things and when woman want things the man supposed to provide it.
You can't deal with situation, so. And the man name move you in a house, he rent you the place. If you had to pay your rent, you would have to wrap up with the man. And if you didn't know say you don't want the man, you should have pay your rent and keep it strictly business.
Then I would tell us that me I wrap up with him. Me not give him nothing more than China. The only time me give him look something I when me drunk. Come in well drunk from work. High like kite. Otherwise he not get nothing from me when me sober. You know see he hardly beard. And he so here and not clean up himself. If me could have put myself with something like that there.
How you do you meet him, man? You meet him just like how you stay now. You meet him as a rasta. If my beard is fine, all you do, give him something in the shower so that mean him a beard. And if he now work out, you left him, man. Because either you go kill him or him go kill him. I not got enough by the funeral go ball. You can't do things so. You know, you used to cheat Ricky so. When Ricky at a disadvantage you. So all you want to cheat good man will take you in a care for you. You not pay no bills. Nothing at all. You can't deal with situation. So you either pay your rent or either left rent somewhere else or you go along back a country. Because you treat him like you don't have no feelings. You can't do things so.
Well, if he didn't put argument to me, he wouldn't catch so far. So he have to suck salt through wooden spoon. Pay the consequences of his own actions. Me no business with him. Anything will happen to him, happen to him. You hear what me say already? Me done talk. Lucky.
You can't. So me never tell you. I go, me just be going check for you. Because I don't love your excitement. I don't feel spend the next minute. I don't love your excitement and the whole Liverpool on this video. You're not going good. You come from nothing at all and come. I go like you're a princess. You're a princess. You don't have nothing in the country.
You're coming.
That's why God not take some man out of poor life. And see where you're not going to become.
Yeah, do me so wicked. I'm your cousin. Allow. You miserable too much. I love certain man.
Brother, I really don't like what going on over so. You see, if we don't work out, we don't live for one another. Because I can't afford to either you kill him or she kill you.
And I go kill her, you know. You say so, I truly love her, man. You know, say I saw man go on already. And them can't get the money. You see me?
Me no business within a relationship, you know. God done me cousin, I mean love her. I mean I try fight out on nothing. But if you see so you not work, you go to separate ways. Cause you have toxic. You can't live so and what's a value that go and come, you can't make your son live so in a place. You have to set example. Say if you not work, you just go to separate ways, man. Me not like that.
You go on, you know. Cause you and your cousin there now. Yeah, come. Remember say when me I look you, you know, you never feel in a vow, you know. Somebody try and mash up everything now, man. Let's make it flow, man.
Alright. Okay, just you can't say me never want you know. But you need to do better. And you know, not telling. And I can't do nothing else about it. So if you don't want to turn in it, you don't turn in it. You don't learn for yourself. If they're good or bad way, me gone.
Come on. What go on there?
Where come on, so far? Me no make business with pleasure, no baby. Go on in your yard, man.
You're dealing, man, son.
Look at man, come over here, so.
You know, say it's a lunch, maybe you want to buy it. Come and eat a piece of food on the road and I pass this and I say, I stop and give you a lunch and then we move on. Oh, yeah, move, so you.
So I can never give me the money from before me leave the yard. You have to come on my workplace, come and show up. But you're enough, so. I don't matter about. Give me money, man. Give me money, no, man.
Daddy?
What go on, my daughter?
I'm there here. You know, say money where you did give me is finished door and me run out. So me ask if you can send some money to me, please.
John, no star. You know, say me just use the last money when me have.
But daddy, me run out of.
If you'd have called me little bit like 10 minutes before, John, no, you.
But daddy, me run out of grocery on the door. Me now me need food. Me not have no grocery. Me not have nothing to look about to eat.
But watch you now. By look tomorrow or tomorrow, man. By tomorrow, me sort out something for you and send it.
Daddy, make sure you remember to your college.
Me know, man. But by look more or tomorrow, me I call you, man. You know, say me not left you already.
Alright.
Alright. So put me about breakfast for me.
This look like breakfast?
So what? Stove did everything did what?
So did everything that you don't have hand, your hand left up on your mother?
Yeah, in a one relationship, you know. So when me go up on the road and look at things and gather with me and gather and come in, me expect say if you look about something for me.
Look about something for who? What liberty taking could have come through carelessness? Here what? You see how me you see I'm like how me look about something for myself? You can look about something for yourself. You come and talk about relationship. But you got trim your hair, the whole part here, then put your head and put your face. You have to talk about go clean up yourself. Idiot.
Look here. Now last time. Alright, matter of fact, me deal with them one deal. Me deal with my thing, I deal with your thing. So you know what? That good, man. Me go up on the road go grab something for myself. And me want to make you know say my daughter come from college today. She'll come home. So, but no worry yourself, man.
After yo. You can't just walk in when you see me wet, but you never stand up outside and wait until you see it dry.
Sorry, I never realized. So I come in and I'm tired and it's so hot outside. I just walk and I'm sorry, I'm very tired.
Oh, still a go in. You there? Me say go back out that door. You can't come back in now. You're still up in there, son.
What one babes? You alright?
No, I'm not alright. The look of pitney we have around this. A daughter that she don't have no manners. You know, so me work this morning and she step right in. Not even for say little good morning. No little common courtesy she don't have about her. Eh? I say you growing a pitney? What kind of style of growing pitney that?
No man. You saw them go college go on, girl go on. And then go to college and come back and feel like say them as all that. Me go talk to her for you.
You try to teach her manners coming on, nobody come disrespect me in this.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me deal with that.
You try to do that.
Hello, listen to me. You see the lady out there, sir? I your stepmother. Here? Someone when you come in here, you have manners to her. You understand me? More you just listen what she said. She said this morning you come in and you walk past, you not even say morning you walk in at the way up.
But Daddy...
Me don't want to hear it. But me don't want to hear no but. She said you walk past you not even have no manners. Me know you stay already.
Daddy.
Me don't want to hear nothing. Cause me know how me don't want to hear it. Cause me know how when you go to college you come back you go like a woman. You understand me? Yeah, and a puff. Listen, just listen what me I say. Know yourself. You hear me say? And I know your room this, you know. Over on such a sleep. Me know say your room around here such a sleep. And I your room again now.
Daddy, me want to stay in my room. You're so me a stay.
And see a bed here around here, so. Here? See a bed here around here, so. I mean, don't want to talk to you again. But daddy, every minute, but daddy, me don't want to hear it. You hear me say? Just sleep around here, so I make you stay around here, so. Me stay in that chair. And that's it. Babes, come in.
You know, see me asleep, you come counting on the big old broad light for me. And then come. Man, go your bed, man. You come as a side of me for go back.
It's cool, man. Remember, say me I eat salt, you know.
You eat salt. So you want something? Alright. See the remedy here. And if I money 5 daughters, put them at work. Oi! Morning. I'm here you sleep. You not even say good morning to me. You know, see, I might place this now. So you must have manners and respect to me. I'm your stepmother.
Good morning.
So if you never tell me say morning, you wouldn't say morning. Hey, girl, come here.
Yo. Yo, yo, listen to me now, man. You're gone too far now, you know. You know, it's my fault. It's my fault, you know. Me let you do all that foolishness them what you do to me. Make you treat me bad and one bag of something. But you know, it's your time now. You have to just pack up and leave out of my place.
Left out of what? Left out of what? You can't take me out of this before some call rent board. But you want to take me out of this. You have place here?
Rent board. You have sense? Look like say I'm here you build this. I'm here you build this. It's true me no want to do you nothing. You girl. You're gone too far now. You treat me bad and do all what you want to do. I know you come to kill off my daughter. Me no works up. You know what? Eat that. Take your things them, come out of my place. You hear me say?
Well, me now come out, cause me now know where to go, and me now come out. Me work my way into this, and me not coming out!
Look here. Me never lick a woman yet. I mean, I intend to. You hear me say? So, you know what? Just peacefully left out of my place. You hear me I tell you?
Alright, me will come out, you know. But you see, you and your daughter, it won't no ugly alike, it won't no lazy alike, it won't no nasty alike. She are carrying man pa you in here, or you're carrying one next woman and they're going to do worse than me. Watch her see, she don't know if you cook, wash her and clean, man I go carry her back, come hand to you. No, don't touch me! Come out of my way. Only idiot.
So, my daughter, I'm sorry, yeah? From the bottom of my heart. I know say you tell me say all of them things are go on, you know. I'm sure I listen, you see me? I'm sorry. Yeah? I'm now make them things empty again. Spread up your bed and clean up your place, yeah?
Yes, Daddy.
What you do?
Why you push me off? Me come back home.
What do you mean you come back home to me? That's take time talk. You try take time talk. No
And me
man.
and your wife.
Yeah, me what? You idiot. You better you take time talk. My woman in my house asleep, you know. You can't do that. Why you never come when me come down the other day? No, but you make a big head friend turn you in a idiot. You make a big head friend a control you. You fool you take me for? Eh? What you take me for?
I know my friend and my cousin. Besides, I know she never have nothing to do with it.
Just listen. I find somebody else on my way coming up and she in at the house now. She beat out and me out so just go tell me go out a while ago. And me easy myself. No bother really. You lose your chance. Why you never come when me come?
Ricky, you can't tell me it's a woman in the house and me and you there for 7 years. Anytime I want to come back in this, we can come back in this. You can't stop me. So bet me going on.
Go in what? Eh? You idiot or what? Do not bother with it.
I bet me bun down with you and her in it.
You better go on down to say here. Go on how you go.
But I know you asleep, yeah? I know you asleep.
Thank you guys for watching. Today is a very special day. Today is Popeye's birthday. So we want to say happy birthday to the boss. And we know now and then you guys might send contribution for the team in terms of to help with transportation and different means. But today I'm saying that if you guys want to send a contribution for a specific actor or a specific actress, make we know, man, because you don't know them are putting some work to, and you know today Papa's birthday, so if you guys want to send a contribution for the boss birthday, make we know. So for those persons that have been sending in contribution in terms of equipment, thank you very much. As I say, we get a brand new camera, we get laptop, we get drone. Thank you guys. We get a camera bag too. So those little things help the production to grow. So I am saying if there are other persons out there that have a camera bag, have a tripod, a light, whatever, a microphone, link us up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and let me know say you want to send me something, man, because we do appreciate when you guys contribute. Also, what some of the other things I want to touch upon? Oh, this weekend, this Sunday is coming up is Lexi's funeral. So you don't know me, along with a few other team members, I go hop over to the funeral and show support. You don't know, say a great actress has passed off, and you don't know we feel it to know say boy she had so much potential and she not live the fullest of her potential. So big up to everybody. Thank you guys for all the love and support that you have been giving us. Before I left, I want to make you know say this Thursday on TVJ 9 o'clock. They're going to feature one of our short film on there. So you guys go and show your support, because you don't know that's another stepping stone, and we love the fact that they can highlight us and show us boy we are putting some good work. So continue to support what we do. Big up on yourself.